There's never been a better time for smart and efficient watering. Warmer temperatures and growing populations mean there's more demand on water and there's a good chance of El Nino returning. Combine that with a positive Indian Ocean dipole and we're in for some hot, dry conditions. A far cry from the triple La Nina we had. A far cry. Automatic irrigation systems are the most efficient way to water your garden. Once set up and programmed, they can deliver exactly the right amount of water when and where it's needed and no more, eliminating waste. The WX1 tap timer screws onto the tap and then you connect it to your irrigation lines, whether they're drip line or pop-up sprinklers. And then you do all the controlling from the app that's on your smartphone. It's that simple. You can connect up to 4 tap timers to the Wi-Fi hub in So, have 4 zones, garden beds, lawns, etc. You can control these from anywhere with your phone. It's very smart watering. But what takes it to the next level of efficiency is the moisture sensor that pairs with the timers. This has 5 different settings and can suspend watering according to the soil moisture. So if it rains, you aren't wasting water. So for your leafy greens that need regular water, you might have one setting, but for your sassy succulents that need much less, another. You can also track the soil temperature. The genius doesn't stop there, folks. Oh no. Father's Day is coming up soon, and what a great gift this would make for Dad.